Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with another project with another announcement for a Ustream class. It's a super fun project. As you can see, it's a baby project. It's called A Bundle of Joy, and it's a diaper bag project. It's a diaper bag along with a mini album that fits perfectly inside of the bag. It's a perfect gift idea. Just imagine giving this to someone filled with tissue paper with a mini album for their brand new baby. A perfect gift for a perfect little baby. Here is my boy version. It's absolutely adorable. It's all boy, totally rough and tumble. I absolutely love it. During the class, I'm going to take you through the assembly of this bag. There will be a template for this posted on my blog prior to the class, so you all will have access to it. I will also take you through the assembly of the mini album. The mini album is a play on the board book. I'm sure you're all familiar with a board book. Super simple. Every child has a board book at one point in their life. But this one is a board book with a twist. It has a pocket. What board book do you see with a pocket? I don't think so. But here we go. We have got one. I have got one for you. And I'm going to take you all through the assembly of this board book. It's super simple. It's just a simple chipboard assembly here, which allows you to slide this right down the middle. I have a sample of a blank piece right here. And as you can see, it's two chipboard pieces, and it's sandwiched between this piece of chipboard. And this is really nice chipboard, my friends. This is not lightweight chipboard. So this is going to be around for a long time. So this is your mini album, a fantastic twist on the board book, perfect for a baby. And I'm going to take you through all of this during the class on my Ustream channel. I will have kits for this available. This is going to be a boy or a girl kit. Let me show you a sample of the girl bag. Are you guys ready? Super adorable. Aren't we all lucky to be girls? Check this out. How beautiful is this? I absolutely love it. I'm torn between the boy and the girl bag because they're both just stunning. And I have a son, so it's really hard for me to part with all the boy stuff. But this is just fabulousness, and I love it. And seriously, guys, the highlight of this bag is this baby bottle right here on the side. All diaper bags have a baby bottle on the side, and I included that all for you in this design. Check out the boy one. Here's the baby bottle. How perfect is that? Perfect touch for a beautiful gift for a brand new baby. And what mom would not love to receive this as a gift? So again, the kits will be available for sale on my blog tomorrow. So be sure to check it out. I will have a video on the kit components. I was just very excited about the finished products for these projects, so I wanted to share them with you all, and here it is. The Bundle of Joy Baby Project. I will post to my blog when the class will be scheduled, so you all can take advantage of that and join me. It's a lot of fun. We have a great group of gals in the chat, so I encourage you all to join in because it is hysterical. I mean, you're going to be laughing a lot, so it's just a lot of fun. I can't talk about the ladies anymore because they're just fabulous. So here's your girl bag, and of course there would be a girl version of the board book, and the boy bag. Just super fabulousness. I love it. So be sure to check out my blog, www.paperphenomenon.blogspot.com, for the kit. My email address will be posted if you're interested, so be sure you pick yours up. So, and here's a pocket, of course. There's a pocket here, and we got my Velcro, and super industrial weight Velcro here, and here's another pocket. So that's how it closes. A lot of interaction with this bag and your mini album, and of course a nice fabulous twist on the board book. So something different for you all, my friends. Thank you so much for checking me out. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.